Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix or not popping up on the screen on iOS 15 on iPhone and iPad. So yes guys, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming video. So first of all guys, open your iPhone setting, then go to the Bluetooth. Then guys, you need to unpair or disconnect your iPhone. After that, turn off the Bluetooth. Then guys, simply turn off the Wi-Fi, then go to home screen and restart your iPad or iPhone. So you need to restart your device. After that guys, open your setting again and click on general, then click on transfer or reset iPhone or iPad, then click on reset, then click on reset network setting. Enter the iPhone passcode. You won't lose any data guys. So reset the network setting. Now guys, turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now check if the problem is solved. If the problem is still didn't solve guys, the last step what you need to do is just open your iPad setting. So guys, this time you need to reset all settings. By this method guys, also you won't lose any data. Then simply click on reset all settings. As you can see here, enter the iPhone passcode and reset all. I hope guys this video helps you. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching guys.